Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your service with AT&T step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your account information. Log into your AT&T account on the official website or app. Locate the customer service section. Choose the option for canceling your service. Review the terms and conditions regarding cancellations. Prepare to speak with a representative if necessary. Contact AT&T's customer service through the provided phone number. Clearly state your intention to cancel your service. Be ready to provide any necessary account verification information. Ask about any potential early termination fees. Inquire about final charges on your bill. Follow any instructions given by the representative. If you have a device payment plan, discuss what will happen next. Request confirmation of your cancellation via email. Keep records of your conversation and any confirmation numbers. Check for any final billing statements in your account. Ensure that your service has been fully disconnected after a few days. Feel free to reach out to customer service if there are any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.